Sarge, it's me, Chris.
Hey, what's up?
What the heck are you doing? Alright, that doesn't matter. I have something very important to talk about. Okay, Sarge, you know how we've always wanted to go racing and shike and bike, and I want to go fast and do it for Dale and all that?
Oh yeah, I've been wanting to do that for a while now.
Well, now we can. There's a new racing series called CRABS put on by our friends over at Rogue Fabrication.
A racing series? That sounds expensive.
No, it's not expensive at all. We need to build the cheapest scrapyard supercar and go do an endurance race against other YouTubers.
Oh, that sounds right up our alley, Sarge.
I know. I think we got this one in the bag. I mean, how many other people are as good at polishing turds as us?
Okay, what do we need to do?
Well, first we need to find a car.
Okay.
Then we need to make it fast.
Right.
Then we need to make sure we're not going to die inside of it and, build a roll cage. And then later on we can worry about other things like catching on fire and fixing the brakes and all that. But
Yeah, I guess that's kind of
I'm not
important.
worried.
Sarge, I'm a little shocked you asked. You know I'm in. When is it?
Okay, I thought you'd be in. The race is in December. We need to start building now. We don't have much time.
Alright, Sarge. I'll get right on that.
All right, Sarge. I'll catch you later.
Whew, what a rush. Well, I just got off the phone with Chris, and he's looking to get into some racing. There's nothing I love more than racing around some weird built cars. If you want some more information on the racing series, go to CRABSRacing.com. But for now, I gotta go find a new car because this thing is way out of its element.
Well, you heard it here, folks. Well, you heard it here first, folks. Reckless Wrench Garage is going racing.